Right, so this is the bit where you've got to crouch down like this. What a great day to be out exploring. I'm meeting up with Odyssey Xplore today. Liam, you might remember him from previous videos. He should be appearing pretty much. So, I mean, I would say normally that Liam knows more about where we're going than I do, but I don't actually think he does today.
Yeah, to be honest, I haven't got a clue where we're going. I believe it's in that direction, so we're going to head that way. But if we fall down a mine shaft, we're near Truro, so send help.
We've literally been walking like 5 minutes and we're already lost, but Liam has got the drone out. Do you see anything good?
Well, I'm trying to see where we are, but to be honest, all I can see is trees. So, it's up there, I think.
So just behind me, just literally up there, is where we're heading. But I mean, it looks like a massive climb. Right, boys, I think we need to head up this walkway here.
I'm not looking forward to this. Nope.
So I mean, I think this climb would be pretty treacherous if I was looking at my feet rather than looking at the camera. But oh, we're getting there. Right, who's going to run up here then? You going to run up?
Should I?
Nice view from up here, but we could have just stayed down there and just looked at the drone footage.
Yeah.
So I've just realised I haven't actually introduced Liam or Luke yet. So for anyone that's new to this channel that haven't seen any of my collaborations with Odyssey Xplore before, Liam has a YouTube channel called Odyssey Xplore where he tends to explore places like where we are today, really. He's also brought his mate Luke with him, who's also a member of Odyssey Xplore. So Luke, what have you got to say, mate?
Well, that hill was huge, but yeah, it's really good.
Thanks, Luke. I don't think I could have done that better myself. I don't know how you ran up this, mate, to be honest.
To be honest, neither do I. I got halfway and then instant regret kicked in.
Oh, why do I wear a hoodie today? Connected to my phone, so I won't actually know how good the shot was until later.
Got ya.
I could actually look at it quickly now, actually. Which way are we going, Liam?
Well, there's a mound of dirt just round this corner, so I'm going to try that first.
I mean, worst case scenario today, at least we would have had a bit of exercise and a nice bit of sightseeing. You found it?
No, that's just dirt.
Oh, it's just that, is it?
Yeah.
Alright, well, you never know.
There's loads, isn't there?
Yeah. There's just this guy riding his bike. There's lots of like bike jumps around here, but I'm pretty sure this is where the mine is. I mean, probably completely wrong because I normally am.
That way, it could even be that way and that way.
Well, there's the
Skills. Hill McGill. Maybe not.
just gonna film myself climbing down here just in case I die. which was the hardest bit. Way! I don't know about you guys, but covered in dust. I don't know about you guys, but we chose hell of a day for it. I mean, this terrain, we could be, I don't know, what do you reckon, Northern America?
Thinking goat herder in Greece.
Goat herder in Greece. Luke was thinking of Wolverhampton. I've got a really good feeling about this. Have you actually?
Yeah, I was there.
So it was right there all that time.
Yeah, we literally flew the drones there, the other side of that tree, right there, and we've walked up that great and massive hill, over the top, back down, through the dark forest of Harry Potter, round there, over the stream, round someone's garden.
It's just typical me, isn't it? You know, just wandering aimlessly until we find something. Right. How'd you turn it on? Oh, it's a button at the front. There we go. Right, let's do it. You going in?
Yeah.
Right, let's do it. I was thinking it's really dark, but I still got my shades on.
There's a wood at the start, the wood's there. So we're not even halfway.
Okay.
And it gets lower. So I will just warn you with that.
Why didn't I wear wellies?
Yeah.
So I've left Luke out with all the camera gear while we do a little exploration.
See.
Jesus. Do you reckon this place is haunted?
I'd say so.
Oh my god. Right, I'm not being funny, but this is pretty freaky.
It's scary, isn't it?
Hey, I'm turn your lights off, see how dark it is. Wow.
It's frightening, isn't it?
Yeah. It is the fact that when you look back at where...
It's both ways dark. Really?
Yeah. I mean, obviously people have been in here. Look, the dates on here are like 2010. Loads. My goodness.
Keep going.
This is a little bit freaky.
I'd say it's a bit freaky.
Look at the ceiling.
Yeah, this is terrifying. Problem is, most people that worked in the mines either died down here.
Well, didn't they used to have canaries so that they know if the oxygen levels got really low?
Yeah, we don't have a canary.
So looking at all of this rock.
That's the shaft. That's the end.
Okay.
I got scared then, I thought someone was coming.
Still litter. It's a bit muddy down here.
That's very deep.
Oh my god. Right, time to go back.
Time to go.
Oh, I can see daylight. Oh my god.
That is crazy. Oh my god. Luke, you just...
Mate, that just keeps going.
It's like some satanic ritual stuff going on in there as well. There's like candles like laying on the
Is it?
side. It's so scary.
No way.
And it just keeps going and going and going, and then all of a sudden it's just a sheer drop.
So, that was fun. Probably not the most sensible thing that I've ever done, but God, it was so interesting though, wasn't it? I'm not going to reveal the whereabouts of this, only because I don't really want to encourage loads of people to come here because it was pretty scary. And when you get to the end, it pretty much just drops off down to the mine shaft. So that was a nice little, well, what was it?
Exploration, really.
As I said before, I'm not going to really reveal where this is, just because we don't want loads of people getting lost or dying or anything like that. But be sure to make sure you check out Liam's channel, Odyssey Xplore, even if you just want to see his side of what we did today, but he's got some great videos on the channel as well. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to love Sundays, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!